Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. And this is kind of a fun video, laid back, yet serious video, and taking the time to realize that the reason I kind of distracted today is I have the window open. But another thing is, I feel like how can I rephrase this? Staying in the hospital really opened my eyes to, like, I want to become the better me this year and not, like, rely on the old self, in the past year, which is eating a lot of junk food, not exercising at all. But now it's like I'm all about exercising. This week was a little busy and hectic for me, so that's why I didn't post that often. But it's just one of those where exercise took the back burner. So finally today I did Beat Saber, and that was a lot of fun. So I just want to talk in this video over the voiceover and have like a calming, relaxing video type feel today. For you guys, in case you guys want to color along with me, which is what today's video is about, which is self-care. And I feel like the word of the year for me this year is self-care, because I'm exercising, I'm eating a lot healthier, and I'm losing weight, and that's been really helping. And I've been trying to get these fluids off of me, because as a heart patient, I had these fluids on me that lasted a while, and I'm trying to get rid of them. So hopefully that's not TMI. If you're interested in that, just ask below, but please be polite about it. So along the lines of self-care, I used to have anxiety, and if this triggers you, you can stop the video now, but I used to pick up my nails, and I didn't want to film a video for this reason, because I don't want to jinx myself. And with that being why, because this Sunday marks 2 weeks of not picking my nails, and I had a dentist appointment. I didn't pick my nails then because I'm wearing gloves at bedtime. That's when I usually pick my nails, and that's been helping a lot. If it weren't for those gloves, then I probably would have failed. But not picking at my nails, and I've been painting them, and I just kind of want to show them off. So I'm very proud of them. But I also want to talk about self-motivation and self-care and all that jazz in the video, and also showing you some coloring pages that are helping me. They're therapeutic, and they're helping me to do self-care. And along the lines, I haven't really stopped drawing, but I'm drawing 15 minutes a day, and I would usually draw every single day, all day. And I just realized that's not possible, not with the lifestyle I have now, because I'm busy with doctor's appointments, I'm busy with other things like brush lettering and video gaming, beat sabering, and it's just a lot in one day. So, not that I'm complaining. However, I feel like balancing everything, like every hour is something different to keep myself occupied and busy, and that's why I have been posting a lot, because I've been doing these coloring pages. I made this one, Procreate. I also made this one, which I'll be coloring today, so I will post this on my Instagram. So if you want to go to my Instagram, email Anna08, yes, I changed my name again. I'm always going to be that, and yeah, so this is just part of the illustration I'm going to be doing today, and I made this in Procreate. And also, I might be coloring this today as well, but I don't know. But I have been doing several pages, and this, whoops, sorry if I shift the camera there. But I had, basically did this page, over here. And then also, I had done the spread that I'm very proud of. And then also, I had done this spread I'm very proud of. Very springy, very alive, and very motivating to fill a color. So I might be doing something in here too. So this is going to be a color with music type video. I just want to come along here and say hello and get back to filming for you guys. And also for the color pencil, for you guys are asking, I had got these for Christmas. These are the faber-castell polychromos that my brother's girlfriend got me, and I really love these. I think they're fantastic if you want professional looking coloring. So I love these, so I will be doing that in today's video. So I will be talking about these in the voiceover as well, so stay tuned for that. And I'm really excited to work with these again. Honestly, if it wasn't for coloring, brush lettering, or anything like that, I think picking up my nails, I wouldn't know what to do, because usually drawing, you're just out, but sketch, line art, don't mess up type thing. But with this, I'm like, it's a starting point. So I'm like very excited of these new hobbies I have. I'm still playing video games. I'm still drawing. I'm only 15 minutes a day, and I just want to talk about that on here, so in the voiceover. So anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a video. And guys, let's have fun coloring together. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to this part of the video where we do the voiceover and coloring together. Before I carry on with this video, I just want to say that I am using faber-castell color pencils in this video, so therefore if you're asking, those are the color pencils that I had gotten and received from my brother's girlfriend, so thank you, Lee. I'm using those since Christmas, and I love them. So let me go ahead and talk about self-care and how that's important to me. As you guys know, I was in the hospital at the end of the last year, and I'm out of the hospital now. I've been out for quite a while now. So I've been really excited of taking care of myself, and part of that is not picking nails. A part of that is like self-care, meditating, all that, and I've been doing that, a good 2 weeks now, like, not the whole, okay, let me backtrack. I haven't been picking my nails for 2 weeks, and that is amazing, and I sleep with gloves at night, so because that's when my anxiety kicks in sometimes, and like when I go to bed and stuff, so I wear gloves that will help me, everything, for the, not picking at the nails, so that's been helping a lot, and I haven't picked for 2 weeks, and I'm really excited. I've been buying nail polish like crazy, and it's been really fun painting my nails. I paint my nails Monday and Fridays, and it's been really fun. Another part of self-care is I've been into cooking lately. So yes, my diet has changed. Yes, I'm low sodium diet now. I do exercise pretty much every day of the week. I haven't done it last week because it's been crazy busy with doctor appointments, meetings, and all that, and yeah, so I've been really getting into also meditation. We have the VR, virtual reality. That's how I do my exercise, and that's how I do my meditation, and that's been really amazing, and that changed my life. If it weren't for that, I probably haven't lost the weight I have been losing, which is good because let me just say this: I'm a heart patient, and I had gay fluids. That's why I was in the hospital, and we didn't catch on, and I'm like, tried doing some fluids, and I'm feeling a lot better now than I have been before. Like, I'm waking up with like tons of energy in the mornings, and part of that is just exercise, taking care of yourself. So a part of picking my nails and everything, I started coloring because usually drawing would stress me out. Because then you have to get sketch perfect, you have to get a line art perfect. But with the sketching and line art, it's like coloring, you have a starting point and you can just go ahead and color. I do want to mention I will put this coloring page on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. So I wanted to mention that real quick. My Instagram is email808. I just want to say that I changed it again. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to put calming music on the rest of it, so that way you guys can color along. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a video. And guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.